myself first. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is your girl, the real Lynn K and Leonie. Yeah. And we are in Target. So this is the start of my next video. These are cute though. No, it's okay. Did you want to No, these cute, aren't they? So we're looking for an outfit. Then we're gonna go to the mall. Dang, I don't know what to. What is it? Active wear? Oh look, this is what we look like. I guess I'll get back to you guys when we get to the mall. Or if we find an outfit. You could do it like this one. I can lift it up. Okay. Crispy some blue. Okay, so y'all, we are at the mall and we're finna shop till we drop. I'm gonna stop turning y'all sideways. I just want to see what it look like. Hold on, let me take a thumbnail picture. I am not using. I don't want no. What you said, no? Yeah, I did. Cities. Let me see. I'm $5.99 by the chair.
Okay, wait a minute, all good, just a week ago. At my house, we party 3 weekends ago. The radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thriller, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go is mine. Why you Mufasa? Yeah, me casa. Got it stupid like Gaza. Got so hot on volcanoes. The flow is so lava. Yeah, you speak that saliva. I don't got message from Fiverr. I got the so higher. Oh, my God, you think for you friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a handful of homies. I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the hamburger. Saturdays with young lavish. The savage it is, I'm bad at it. They took the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the
And I'm probably just gonna buy this because Ty got 2 of these in his car that he haven't used.
Yeah, baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitch is fucking steel. There's so money in my bank that I'm spending still. Lifestyle shit, I've been living shady. I've been beating up down the flat like I'm Devin Haney. I don't need a rock friend.
Alright guys, bag secured. So we got a little stuff. Got a little something. I was thinking to myself, I just shot a bear sticker. Yeah, that is. But y'all, we're just chilling. I'm probably gonna do Fat Tuesday. Probably gonna get Fat Tuesday today. And I'm gonna get this place that's like, I don't know what it's called, but it's in Everybody Mall. I think it's called Sarku, some Japan Chinese food. Well, I see kids there right now. Yeah. But, anyways, she ain't camera shy. She just hold it up and everything. Me though, I be like this. Ain't nobody up in here. Let me stop. I'm sorry, y'all. Well, she's vlogging for me. Yeah. Yeah, don't mind my hair. I get my hair done on Monday, so it doesn't matter. Don't mind my hair either because, baby, we going natural. I gotta save some money. Well, I don't. I get my hair done on Monday. And we crossing right here. Yeah. You better go to Kids Foot Locker. How you zoom in? Y'all see it back there? Kids Foot Locker? Yeah. Excuse me. on
See the shoes?
where my shoes.
Oh, we're gonna get y'all back later.
We gonna get you. So you guys, they got some shoes in here.
Oh, this is cute. Y'all see these? I got a pair on right now. I got these ones on.
Y'all, these are cute. These right here are cute though. I like these.
I like
I got them. No, you good. Oh my bad. All right. I might get some on clouds. Oh, look at them Asics right there, Leon.
Yeah.
You like this one?
And those ones. I think I'm gonna get those. I just bought a shirt.
Oh, they got the black. They got the black. And they got these.
I'm not trying to pay these on. They $80 too.
Yeah.
Let me show you the shirt I just bought. And I might wear Asics with it. This is for when you go on a trip.
These hard. I got these on now, y'all. Selma gang. I'm so dead. So dead. Okay, you guys, give us a second. The OOTD of today. I might take me a little picture right here. I might get costume fronts, but even kids. I might get all kids. Okay, Leanne can record. It
My
is.
stomach does a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way.
Got to see.
Get up on the street, want to stand on my knees, go weak. What's happening to me?
We might get my niece a
Lord,
pair of
can you
shoes.
tell me what it means?
Those are
Lay my
so
head on my pillow, staring out the window.
Did you have the samples in the 5 minutes?
Trying to stop for a
Okay,
sign.
thank you.
Girl, this is cute. My niece. She yeah, all she wanted everything to that. I want her to stop wearing those. But look at Asics.
It's hard. Wrist piece on bling bling, neck piece on blizzard, baby.
They got some good balances too.
Some Hey Dudes. Do you like Hey Dudes on like?
I like they do too. These are some pink ones. Oh, these are them dunks that came out.
My favorite song. Nothing in the email. One topic on the phone. I wonder if you know. I have a good night. I lay my head on my pillow. I'm just staring out the window. Wishing on the stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always
Well,
Yeah, I'll play those.
I'm gonna put y'all back when I try on these two pair of shoes.
They cute. Hold on, let me zoom in on them.
Ooh, those are fine orthopedic Asics.
You know what I mean with them? They're hard though. Can you fit them?
I don't know. These don't feel like this don't feel like a 5.5.
Them hard.
This is a US 5.
Yeah, I used to wear these. Them Pumas. I used to kill them Pumas back in the day. I had me some pink ones. Don't play.
Not all the clips.
Yo, this could be like, I don't know what it's gonna be called. Maybe shopping with my little sister.
Major side eye. Yeah, look at these.
Not major side eye. Look at these, y'all. Okay. Okay, stand up and do a little roll.
I'm gonna look at the mirror anyway.
Hold on. Okay. Period. Look, we twins.
Yeah.
We twins. She got green in that one. Them hard. The yellow toe at the bottom.
These don't say Leonie, so I'm not gonna get these.
They don't fit.
Nah, they fit. They too big. I'm saying that they don't say Leonie.
Oh, you don't like them?
They don't. It's not for me.
Lame.
Yeah, no.
We actually had tried on the freaking display. Didn't even know, but
Yeah.
it's hard.
The display was a
Them
5.
hard, Leon. I can't lie. You gotta cop them.
I
Cop these skis. Okay. Them cute. Like,
let me take them with me.
you don't know nobody with them.
Yes, I do.
Nope.
I see. I forgot how to zoom in, y'all. How to zoom in? How to zoom in? How to zoom in?
At the top. See that little button? Move to the right.
Oh, right there, y'all. Y'all can't zoom in on that, but it's cute. Period. I'm about to get them. Yeah.
Okay, guys, she got her own shoes.
If I need them both.
She got her own money. She got her own motion. But we're finna get tired some slides.
Oh, y'all know who that is?
I don't know if they know who that is, but I know who that is.
I keep playing, y'all.
But yeah, come on, let's go around. Hit the speed walk. Had to hit the speed walk. But you guys, when I go to Foot Locker, then I'm gonna try Fat Tuesday. I be seeing it. I be seeing people get it when they go down like the belt line, I think. So I'm gonna get it, try it. Then we're gonna eat here. I'm gonna take her home and I'm gonna chill at home a little bit. Then I'm gonna go home and I might go to the little fair thing just to get me some kind of candy. It's free, so I mean, why not go?
That's fine. At the fair, you go to the fair to see it.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to find it.
You say you don't want to go. Do you want to go? Cause we could go after we leave here.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. But yeah, you guys, I'll get back to you guys when I get in the store.
Bye.
Y'all, I found some more. Oh, they got hoses. I can get some hoses.
Next shoes.
I could use these for work.
Or these are $100. I like this color.
These
I like the blue. The blue hard. What size? Yeah, 155.
Then these some shoes. I can get them for work. I'm gonna get me some hoses probably. I think I'm gonna get tired. He like blue. I'm gonna get him some blue. They ain't have the other kind that he like, but he needs some more slides. Cause that dog chewed on the slides. What size is this? An 8? Hey, hold on, this is big. Look at these hoses. $80? Yeah, should I get these for work? $80?
You don't got no shirts.
I just got orange, remember? These hard, y'all. I don't really like this. I like these though. And they feel real lightweight. Should I do it, y'all? We're gonna think on that. These 109 for this 109 too. I wear a lot of blue to work. It's hot, ain't it? Yeah, should I get these for work?
I say yes. They on sale. Let's see that.
They usually $100. They usually $100.
I think we will.
So you guys, I'm getting these for work. My mom bought them for me. So I ain't gotta spend my money. And these ones gonna get time. These hard. I'm getting these for time. They're $79.99.
Oh, she did it on the side.
No, actually, this is what I want, y'all. I'm gonna see if I like it. Fat Tuesday. Man. We don't get Fat Tuesday though. They have food or they only got drinks? Alright guys, so we're finna leave the mall and I'm finna go back home and chill for a little bit.
Me too. Oh, we going to the same place.
Duh. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys later. No, Ma, you didn't say rice. I did. Is that you said noodles, potatoes, and
Well, what's up, y'all? We back at the house. And,
bring me a plate from Bourbon Cafe.
she about to list up my
rice. My bad, Mom.
I told her
You
about
put cafe and rice together. Is it called Bourbon Cafe rice?
It's Bourbon Cafe.
Oh.
What made you do out two ponytails?
It's not bad.
I do not want to.
It's on us. It's on us.
Yeah, let it be on you. One looking wild, crazy. They be wild.
You said that henna thing up for next weekend. I work next weekend, Mom.
Yeah, next
Well, I just get two.
weekend, so we have two. I already made my deposit.
Well, y'all know, Mom. You just get 2 and then. Well, just tell them that one person. I work 8:30 to 5 that day. They was like, "Do you want to work that day?" Yes, I do.
Yeah, you need all the money you can
They
get.
did all the money I could get, bro. Y'all microwave is silent.
It's what?
It's on?
Yeah.
It said it's silent.
It's not salad, bro. It's everything moving.
See, this is what I don't like right here. You gotta do your shoe like this so it can be on the outside.
So Chapman got up for it.
I'm like that. That's how I like my shoes. When you put your foot in, they look fine. You don't put this in. You don't put that up though. You leave it like that. Moment of truth.
Watching The Exorcism. Right there.
Yeah, that's fine.
No, it felt like that. And if you need to like scrunch it out a little bit more, you scrunch it out a little bit more.
Period. It's a
Literally.
I'm not gonna talk.
No.
Yeah.
Period, y'all. Okay, I need to do this one a little bit more. Oh, I did that one too much. Okay.
Sleep coming.
Oh, I need them crops.
Oh, okay. You got my room. I'm not coming down.
I thought I was losing my mind.
No, they've been here since 11.
Now, which one you want? Watermelon and lemonade, strawberry pound cake, pink kiwi berry, or in the stars?
I got her strawberry pound. Bye. I'm done with being in this video.
Here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Yeah, I guess I'll record.
She gonna finish
later.
recording, but I'm finna leave. Well, I'm finna go to sleep.
Hey guys, so right now I'm finna go to the fair. I look a hot mess. Really didn't get my head in. But I'm gonna show y'all the fair. I'll just come here to get a funnel cake. That is all. That is it.
Hey, subscribe to me on YouTube though.
Subscribe to him on you.
Yeah.
Fish Boy Ty. I'll put his name down there. We really gotta go right there. I'm at the fair. Finna get a funnel cake and leave. That's all I really want. Finna show y'all. I don't think so. No.